Hi together, my name is Meike Beimstroh and today I would like to introduce you the new items in our Gelbox portfolio. Since 2020 we offer our Gelboxes for connectors of the series 221 4mm square, 6mm square and the series 2273 and 2773. You surely know it well, especially when wiring in the outdoor area, moisture lags everywhere. Not only in the rain or cold, but also when we have high temperatures in the summer and at the same time a high humidity. A typical application example is the light in the garden or the wiring of a pump in a pump shaft. If these wirings are not protected, it quickly leads to errors in the installation. The Gelboxes for our connectors offer optimal moisture protection according to IPX8. With the new inline connector of the 221 series, you now have the possibility to wire directly in one direction. For wiring in through direction, we would like to offer you now also a moisture protection. And these are the new Gelboxes for our 221 inline connector. We have them in 3 different variants. 1 for 2 connectors, 1 for 3 connectors, and 1 for 5 connectors. We follow here the same concept and design with the already existing boxes you can see here. How do I use the Gelbox now? I open the Gelbox at the side tabs. There are 2 trays pre-filled with silicone-free polyurethane gel. In one tray you can see a T-bar, and this T-bar helps us for positioning the connector. Now I put the previously wired connector in the Gelbox and press it on the gel mass, so it sticks directly on the gel mass. The second as well. And then I close the box again at the side tabs. Now I see that the gel mass comes out over the sealing lips, and this shows me that I'm safe and that the whole box is safe against moisture. When using the Gelbox, it is important to consider the assignment table to guarantee the optimal gel replacement and also the high IPX8 protection. This means that I cannot put only one inline connector in the Gelbox for 2 connectors, because the displacement of the gel is then too low and moisture will enter. If you want to change your wiring after the initial installation, this is also possible with the Gelbox. The Gelbox is WE-accessible. To do this, you must open the Gelbox at the side steps again and remove the gel from the connectors and the wires. The connector as well as the Gelbox cannot be reused, but you can now rewire the single wires with new components and save the shortening of the wires. Behind me you can see an application wall, and here you see the Gelbox wired in a box, in a junction box, to connect an outdoor LED spotlight. For low voltage application, a second insulation is always required to protect the entire system, including the shielded cable from moisture. There are some applications, such as self-applications, where the second insulation is not required. An example, for example, would be the wiring of a perimeter wire for the robotic lawn mower. The Gelboxes for the 2-to-1 series inline connector are optimal for wiring in one direction while providing quick and easy moisture protection for the connection point. It offers you many applications, whether for parking lot lighting, for car washes, landscaping and gardening, or in the swimming pool areas. So try out the new Gelboxes for your application. See you soon.